Starting the day off strong. We got a house to build for the triplets, but we gonna start it off with some breakfast because I'm sore from yesterday and my energy needs to have a huge pick-me-up. And this is what we're gonna do about it. Yummy. Let's go build a house. All right, now we're fed and ready to go. Breakfast is out of the way, so it's time to play house or build a playhouse. That's what we're gonna do. And we're about to get the parts assembled and hopefully get everything done today. Let's get it. All right, I just finished building the fort base. Oh my gosh. When I finish this thing, I'm telling y'all, man, the triplets are gonna live in this thing for the rest of their lives. Seriously. Now it's time to put on some walls. Get them some coverage when it rains on them. I got this, man. I'm about to die, but I got this. Let's get it.
Make me a little bar. We almost there. I can feel it. But I'm telling y'all what, I ain't never doing this again. Ever. These kids are gonna live in this house for the rest of their lives. And y'all think I'm joking, but I'm not. Hey, but we got the base together. I need to flip it around so that the slide goes this way. But we're working. Back on the Grizzly. Let's get it.
We got about 30 minutes left of daylight. Maybe an hour, I don't know. But I've been out here since 10 o'clock. And this is, oh my gosh. I will never do this again, ever. Still got a little bit of pieces of wood left. Got to put these pieces together. Got to actually flip this around because we want the slide to go with the slope in the yard, so. Man, we working. I'm working right now. Everybody had to dip out, you know what I'm saying? You know how it is. People got stuff to do, man. But I'm trying, y'all. Getting this bad boy together. All right, let's keep it moving. We ran out of sunlight. But off in the distance is the triplets summer home. Oh man, I thought we would be able to finish it today, but I had to battle through rain, screws, misplaced holes, but it's coming along and it will eventually be done. Tomorrow is the day. Man, not only did I battle all that stuff, man, these gnats, these gnats are just ridiculous, man. But hey, I gave it all I had today. I mean, I've literally been out here since 10 a.m., man. And it just now got dark. So, hey, y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it was. You can hear it in my voice. It's your boy DUBS. CP. Here to do one thing and one thing only, and that's blow up. Can't do it too loud. I got neighbors and stuff outside, man. Hey, I'ma holler at y'all.